Sports in the southern Appalachians don't attract many skiers this time of year, but today's little burst of spring snow was enough to keep the kids happy. So happy you can just taste it. This is Avery County, North Carolina, close to the Tennessee border. This region has had between 2 and 3 inches of snow. The morning commute in the Boston area was nasty this morning. These shots were taken in Andover, Massachusetts. The snow tapered off as the morning progressed, but as you can see, it was downright yucky this morning in Boston. Well, this stubborn wintry weather also has forced the postponement of another baseball game. This is Boston's Fenway Park, where the Red Sox were supposed to play their home opener against the Minnesota Twins today. Even if this game could have been played, it would have been a cold day at the ballpark. The high today was only in the upper 30s. Well, you've certainly been dealing with the snow in the Northeast, certainly heavy amounts of snow here that you wouldn't normally like to see at this time of year. Our cloud picture shows us that area of low pressure just off the New England coast here is certainly still bringing the snow in. You're still getting light snow with the moisture meeting up with that cold air here through the Northeast. It's going to taper off somewhat back to the south, but the bad news is there is more on the way. Here's where we're dealing with the snow generally through northern New York into northern New England and through Maine. We're still getting some of the snow here, even into parts of southern New England, beginning to see a bit of rain. But just off the edge of your screen here to the south, you can see the hint of what is to come as we are looking at more snow with another area of low pressure expected to make its way on off the coast as we head into the overnight hours. But right now, we're looking at snow around Bangor and around Portland, and even into New York and parts of New England, dealing with the snow as well around Messina, reporting light snow at this hour down towards Syracuse as well. And we are looking at certainly more snow in the forecast. You can see that next system is going to be again producing snow in this area. This is what's left over from our last system that's still off the northeast coast, and again some of the higher elevations here are going to be picking up the heaviest of that heavy wet snow. Well, we normally don't see snow at this time of year, of course, a little bit unusual. Let's take a look at what we're going to be dealing with this April snow here. The time of the day matters a great deal for accumulating snow because of the sun angle. With the sun angle higher in the sky, it's certainly going to heat things more, even though there is cloud cover, certainly the radiation reaching through the clouds. So the snow falling in the evening is going to have the best chance to accumulate here as we head back through parts of Virginia. And as the low moves northward up the coast, we're going to see the snow falling during the daylight hours. So in this area, it's going to have a bit of trouble accumulating. And then towards New England, we are going to see more accumulation here as it does fall in the evening hours. We also want to give you a quick reminder that there is a gale warning in effect for Sandy Hook, New Jersey, southward to Fen Lake Island. Okay, we want to take a look at our satellite view, and that will show us a little bit more about what we can expect coming up. You can see, of course, one storm here, another here. This one is going to be moving on off the coast and then moving northward, and what that is going to mean is more snow into the northeastern U.S. We can see it already falling here through the mountains of North Carolina, where we actually have winter storm warnings in effect for the mountains of North Carolina, the northern mountains, that is. We'll continue to keep you updated as this